Kala Pani dispute is between which two country? So there is a dispute called Kala Pani dispute is between India and Nepal. And Nepal capital Kathmandu. Where will you find the headquarter of SAARC? SAARC stand for what? SAARC stand for South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation. And SAARC has 8 member country: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And recently, who has become the new Secretary General of SAARC? The name of that person is Esla Verakon. Esla Verakon has become the new Secretary General of SAARC, and he is from Sri Lanka. And who is the Prime Minister of Nepal? Nepal Khadga Prasad Oli, and President is Vidya Devi Bhandari. Correct answer is India and Nepal. What's the ranking of India on the Global Energy Transition Index by the World Economic Forum? Correct answer is 74. So India has ranked at the 74th position on the Global Energy Transition Index, which is given by the World Economic Forum. And World Economic Forum headquarters you will find in Geneva in Switzerland. And World Economic Forum founded on the 1971. And who is the founder and chairman of the World Economic Forum? It's Klaus Schwab. And who has topped the list? That means who is the top the energy transition index? So Sweden, country Sweden has it topped the world energy transition index. And Sweden capital is Stockholm, and currency is Corona. And one more thing you have to remember: Greta Thunberg, she is a climate activist, and she is also from the Sweden. Has got many awards such as Time Person of the Year award, Right Livelihood award, and International Children Peace Prize award, etc. So the correct answer is here 74 ranking by the World Economic Forum. Which airport has won the Skytrax award for the best regional airport in India and Central Asia? Kempegowda International Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Rajiv Gandhi Airport. Correct answer is Kempegowda International Airport. And you have to pay attention here the word best regionals. So it's a Kempegowda International Airport, and this airport is located in Bengaluru in Karnataka. And it was also in news. Why? Because it is the first airport in India to have the DARE facility. DARE it's a facility which is provided the repairing the aircrafts. And what does stand for DARE? DARE stand for the Damaged Aircraft Rescue Equipments, which is just a facility to provide for providing the repairing of damaged aircrafts. So it is given to the Kempegowda International Airport. And Indira Gandhi International Airport, which is situated in the New Delhi, has become the first in India to become the single-use plastic-free airport. And one more, Indira Gandhi International Airport has also started something known as Women with Wheels. For what? For women's safety. And here the correct answer is Kempegowda International Airport, which is situated in Karnataka in Bengaluru. Which of the following ministry has launched the champion portal www.champion.gov.in? Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of MSME. Correct answer is Ministry of MSME. So Ministry of MSME has launched the champion portal called www.champion.gov.in. And one more portal called SIIR has launched by the MSME, and it stands for the Bank for Schemes, Ideas, Innovation, Research. And here bank doesn't mean about the bank, it means just a collection of all those such as idea, innovation, research, etc. And SIR, that means Schemes, Idea, Innovation, Research. And Nitin Gadkari is the minister for the SAM. That means he is the minister of MSME, and his constituency is Nagpur, and he is also the Ministry of Road Transport and the Highway. That means the Nitin Gadkari has a two ministry: one MSME, Medium, Small and Micro Enterprises ministry, and one more ministry called Road Transport and Highway. And Nitin Gadkari has also launched the Gati portals. And Ministry of Agriculture, who is the Ministry of Agriculture? It's Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar comes under the Ministry of Agriculture, and his constituency is Morena in MP, Madhya Pradesh. And Rajnath Singh is the Ministry of Defense, his constituency in Lucknow, and Ministry of Finance is Nirmala Sitharaman. And here the correct answer is Ministry of MSME, who has launched this portal, Champions Portal. Which state government has launched a scheme, and name of that scheme is called Matir Smriti scheme, to utilize the 50,000 acre of barren land? Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Uttarakhand. Here the correct answer is West Bengal. So West Bengal state government has launched a scheme called Matir Smriti scheme to utilize the 5,000 acre of land in 6 districts of West Bengal. And basically this scheme helps to the generate income activity in the horticulture as well as in pisciculture. And it will benefit around the 2.5 lakh people in the rural areas. So it's a good initiative by the West Bengal government. And West Bengal CM is the Mamata Banerjee, and who is the governor of West Bengal? It's Jagdeep Dhankar. And in West Bengal, you will find the Baksa National Park, Gorumara National Park, Nora Valley National Parks, Sundarban National Park, and one more Jaldapara National Park. You will find in West Bengal. And Odisha CM is the Navin Patnaik, and governor is Ganesh Lal. And Jharkhand CM is the Hemant Soren, and his party name is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. And governor is Draupadi Murmu. And West Bengal I have discussed before already. And Uttarakhand Trivandrum Singh Rawat is the chief minister, and the governor is Baby Rani Moria. So here the correct answer is West Bengal. Where will you find the headquarters of World Trade Organization? So you will find the headquarters of World Trade Organization in Geneva in Switzerland. Why I am asking you this question? Because recently the head of WTO, that means the World Trade Organization, Robert Azevedo, has decided to step down from his post, and he will step down from his post on 31st of August. So it is in news, and he is from Brazil. And headquarter I have discussed you before, Geneva in Switzerland. It is a 164 member country, and it is founded in 1 January 1995, 1st January 1995. And don't confuse with World Trade Organization with the World Tourism Organization. World Tourism Organization headquarter you will find in Madrid, in the capital of Spain. Capital of Spain is Madrid, where you will find the headquarter of World Tourism Organization. And here the correct answer is Geneva, Switzerland. Which bank has approved an emergency assistance program loan of $1 billion to India? New Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, World Bank. Here the correct answer is New Development Bank. So an emergency assistance program loan of $1 billion has been approved by the New Development Bank to India. And basically this loan comes to the support of Government of India to curb the spread of COVID-19. So here the correct answer is New Development Bank. And who is the president of New Development Bank? It's KV Kamath. And New Development Bank, which is also called the BRICS Bank. BRICS stand for B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China, and S for South Africa, to mobilize the resources and sustainable development projects. And headquarter you will find in Shanghai in China of a BRICS Bank, which is also called the New Development Bank. And last country who has become the BRICS is South Africa in 2010. And so correct answer in Development Bank, whose headquarter you will find in Shanghai in China. And KB Kamath is percent of New Development Bank, which is also called the BRICS Bank. And Asian Development Bank headquarter you will find in Manila, which is the capital of Philippines. And Masatsugu Asakawa is the president of the Asian Development Bank, and he is from the Japan. And World Bank headquarter you will find in Washington DC, and who is the president of World Bank? It's David Malpass. And here the correct answer in New Development Bank, which is also called the BRICS Bank, who has approved the emergency assistance program $1 billion to India. Jammu and Kashmir administration and Haryana government has decided to provide the tap connection to every household by which year? Here the correct answer is 2022. Kashmir administration and Haryana government both have decided to provide the tap connection to every rural household by the 2022. And basically it aims to provide the drinking water facility to every household. And for this Jammu extended for under the Jal Jeevan mission. And so here the correct answer is 2022. And who is the Jal Shakti minister? So Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the Jal Shakti minister. And who is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? It's Girish Chandra Murmu. And in Jammu and Kashmir you will find the Dachigam National Park, Hemis National Park, Salim Ali National Park, and Kishtwar National Park you will find in Jammu and Kashmir. And one more thing you have to remember here, that recently Khelo India Winter Games was also held in the Jammu and Kashmir. So here the correct answer is 2022. Which state government has launched a portal, and name of that portal is called Hop Portal? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. So it has launched this portal called Hop Portal. And Hop stand for what? So Hop stand for helping out people every year. And this portal to have the unemployed youth to get the job opportunity. So basically it is based on the Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana. So correct answer is Uttarakhand government who has launched this portal. And Uttarakhand capital, Uttarakhand CM is the Trivandrum Singh Rawat, and who is the governor of Uttarakhand? It's Baby Rani Moria. And Uttarakhand has a two capital, and winter and summer capitals. So winter capital is Dehradun and summer capital is Gair Singh. And in Uttarakhand you will find the Rajaji National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Valley of Flower National Park, and Jim Corbett National Park. And the oldest name of Jim Corbett National Park is the Halley National Park, which is formed in 1936. And the Ramganga river flows through it. That means which river flows through this park? So Ramganga river flows through it. and governor is Baby Rani Moria, which is already I have told you. So I had the correct answer is hop water, which is launched by the Uttarakhand government.